Hello from Slovenia again. So sorry for yesterday's premiere, or what is the word for this? I just scheduled it at the wrong time. But now it is what it is. I just came home while premiere ends because we were at veterinarian with Flora and Nera, because Nera gets vaccination. I think that this is the right word. And Flora have his her appointment, and I'm just so happy because her lung tumor, it's about 35% smaller than it was months ago. So this cannabis thing obviously works. So I'm so happy. And I just have some things in my mind that, but I just can't remember now. Oh, hope you like my dip on the t-shirt. I will definitely do it more. I bought some textile medium too, so I will play with this definitely again, but not today. Today I just want to do a girly flower dip for Flora, and that's why I want to do purples and golds and I don't know. And I think that I will try to do like a lotus flower today. So let's see. I'm not good at drawing, so maybe this will be just a big mistake, but I want to try it anyway. And this was dioxazine purple. What do I want to add next? I think that I will do this silver next. It's an, I believe that it's, I don't know, Arabian lotus that is more purple than pink. I don't know anymore. And I have this Quenequadone Blue Violet, I think, from Liquitex Heavy Body. Maybe I will just fill all this middle part and do something on top. I don't have this one in squeeze bottle, so that's why it's a little harder too. And I think that I will add some quinacridone magenta like here. And maybe just a drop here. And some of this dioxazine purple again, like a stripe here in the middle. I don't know. I want to have this purple in the middle, and this is lemon yellow, and I will add some gold drops around. This will be something weird, I think, because I really don't know if this will work. And I will add some of this purple white, pearl white, I just said purple white, on the top of this dioxazine. And I will add some green. This is phthalo green. And some pale olive green, just to lighten it up a little bit, maybe. And and I will just do my sides with black real quick, just to have it, to have some paint on, so I can, but I can fix it later completely, as you know. And I did a mess on the background already. I didn't want to do it, but I did it again. As I said many times, I should have my channel named Messy Painter, because I am a messy painter. And let's see what we will get. I hope that you will not I just think that I shadowed my premiere video with flower dip on t-shirt. I think that I did it for 9 p.m. but obviously I did it on 7 p.m. so that's why I was late. But we have to go with Flora, and I'm happy because she is doing so good, so I hope that you will forgive me for this. I promise that I will not do this next time. This is Flora barking. It's not a lotus flower, obviously. I just have to look at it this way. What do I have here? I just didn't press this green enough, I think. I can try to blow it out a little bit. But obviously I don't have enough paint here. And I don't know what I did. I will just pour some black and then blow it out. Just do it that way, so it's totally different flower that I was hoping for, but it's still, oops, sorry, beautiful. So maybe I just should do a little less green to have just this part.